a house that may need fixing, well, this application is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, get that problem fixed. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, very easy to use, and at the top here, you're pretty much going to take a picture of whatever problem you're having or a video, you're going to upload it to this application here. So all you have to do, you go ahead, turn on the camera, take a picture of, well, let's say the damage that's been done to the whatever problem that you're having, and you just tap on the add photo option here, or you can either take a photo right away through the application. Will just upload that automatically. If you have already taken the picture, then you can just go in the gallery section here and select whichever picture you have taken. So once you have done that, you're also going to need to explain what problems you're encountering as it relates to the thing that needs to be fixed. If it's not opening, if it's not starting, if it's not closing, you get what I mean, guys. So once you've done that as well, you do not have to select the appliance, or if it's a car, if it's a home appliance or anything like that. AI for this application here will pretty much detect that. But to get better results, you're gonna need to select one of these. Let's say it's a appliance in your house, say it's a car, something's wrong with a car, you don't know what to do, you can just take a picture of it. Maybe this application here could help you out. Once you have done that, you'll be able to select this option here where it says get it fixed. Will give you solutions as it relates to your problem. So very, very easy application to use, very straightforward. So in the history section here, this is where you're going to see all the information that you have had that needs to get fixed. You can always go back in the history section here and check out those information again. If you maybe missing something that you need to check on, then you can go into that section again. So in the pro option here, you do get a free trial of 3 days, and as well, if you do disable this option, you get a weekly subscription, and if you're a subscription, you can pretty much see the prices as it relates to that, and pretty much what to be getting with their premium subscription. So very good application. I've tried it and it does work very well. And if you have any problem at all with the application, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.